Hello students, as I have told you in my introduction lecture that we are going to upload some of the videos to guide you or to help you how to prepare for MAT. So this is our first lesson, first section. As per our syllabus, our first topic is study of numbers. We have divided study of numbers in three parts. First is Indian number system, international number system. Then comes our mathematical operations, addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. And the third part is place values. So today we'll start with our first part, how to write numbers in Indian number system and in international number system. So let us proceed. Study of numbers, Indian number system, international number system. Now, in both the systems, some numbers are written same in both the number system. Like 1 is written as 1 in both the system. Then 10 is also same. 100 is same. 1000 is same. Even the 10,000 up to 10,000 in both the systems, it is same. This is our 10,000. It is same in both the number systems. After that, we call it as 1 lakh, while here in international number system, it is 100,000. So it is 5 zeros. Up to 10,000, there are 4 zeros, now 5 zeros. And here it is written like this. So in our number system, how we make groups? First group is of 3 numbers, ones, tens, hundreds. Then after that, 1,000, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crores, 10 crores, like that. We make the groups of 2 to each. While here it is everywhere the groups of 3 digits. See like this. Here it is 100,000. We call it as 100,000 in international number system. 100,000. This number is read as 100,000. After this, what happens? We have 10 lakhs. In Indian number system, it is 10 lakhs. This is 1 lakh. This is 10 lakhs. While here it is, see the zeros, how many zeros are there? 6 zeros. So as per the international number system, we make groups in threes, and therefore it will be like this. So this is 10 lakh in our number system, and in international number system, this is called as 1 million. This is 1 million. Now remember well, 1 million means 6 zeros. 6 zeros and the digit 1. So total how many digits are there? 7 digits. 2 groups of 3 each. So we will write 2 groups of 3 each plus 1. So total 7 digits. So 7-digit number is something million. 7-digit number is million. Then next is, in our number system, it is 1 crore. While here it is 10 millions. Right? Again, how many digits are there now? 8 digits. 8 digits. 7 digits, 8 digits. Next is 10 crores. At the same time, just see the number of zeros. Here 6 plus 1, 7 zeros. Here there are 6 zeros. 1 million, 6 zeros. 10 million, 7 zeros. Here also 7 zeros. And now 8 zeros. So this number will be 100 million. It is very simple. Just make groups of three zeros, three digits. So we can read the number easily. 100 millions. And there are 9 digits. So 7-digit million, 8-digit also million, 9 digits also million, 100 million. And then after that, what happens? We have 100 crores. This is 10 crores, right? And this is 100 crores. See the number of zeros, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 zeros. And here the 9 zeros are written in groups of threes. So this is nothing but 3 groups of threes plus 1, so 10 digits. So from 10 digit onwards, the number becomes billion. So this is now billion. So like this, you have to make groups. Then after that, up to, these are 10. So 10 digit, 11 digit, 12 digit. These all are billions. And afterwards, 13 digit, it becomes trillion. But most of the time, the numbers are read in billions also. Means 1 billion, then 10 billion, then 100 billion, 1,000 billion, and so on. Okay, so this is the way the numbers are written in international and Indian number system. So let us solve few sums based on these number systems. Okay. See the first question. 1 crore is written as dash in international number system. So let us write 1 crore number. 1 crore means see here, hundreds, thousands, lakhs, 1 crore. This is how we write in our Indian number system, 1 crore. This is our 1 crore. Now it is to be written in international number system. Now international number system, from right hand side, make a groups of three digits. So these 3 digits as it is. Then these 3 digits together, put comma and then 10. Total, how many zeros are there? 7. Here also there are 7. So now 6 zeros means 1 million. And now this is the 10. 10 with 6 zeros. So this number becomes 10 million. So what is our answer? Answer B, 10 million. Option B is 10 million. Okay? Is that clear? Okay. So this is how we write numbers in international system. Let us move to next question. This is next question. How many zeros are there in 13,030,000? Right? So first of all, let us write 13 million. Million means how many zeros? 6 zeros. So 13 with 6 zeros. So this is 13 and then 6 zeros. This is simply 13 million. Okay, now 13 million and 13. We need 13 in the last. That is tens place, units place. So we will write the required number or expected number like this. This is the perfect required number, 13,030,000. And now the question is, how many zeros are there? So count zeros, 1, 2, 3, 4. So number of zeros are these 4 zeros, so 4 zeros. So the answer is 4. Again, answer is B. Okay, so this is what is 13,030,000. Let us move to next question. Now see, similar type of question, but this time it is more, there are more zeros in between. In our previous sum, there were only 4 zeros, and now number of zeros are more. So let us see what number it is. 12, 3 zeros, again 3 zeros, and 0, 1, 2. As I have told you in the beginning, count total number of 0, 3, 3, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. From 10 to 12, it is billion. 10 digits, 11 digits, 12 digits, it is billion. So this number is some billions. This number is some billions. Some means how many? 12. 12 billions. And in the last again, there is 12. So the answer is 12 billion 12. 12 billion 12. Once again, see the count, the number of digits. 3, 3, 6, 3, 9, 10, 11 digits. As I have told you, billion starts with 10 digits. This is your billion. 10 digits. So 10, then 11, then 12. All these are billions. This is 1 billion, 10 billion, 100 billion. Count the digits. They are 12 digits. So 10, 11, 12. All these are billions. And because this is 9, 10, 11 digits. So this is again billion. And last two digits are 12. So it is 12 billion 12. And here our answer is again B. Let us move to next question. Now this is slightly different question. See the question. How many currency notes of rupees 1000 denomination, means one note is of 1000, will be there to give amount rupees 10 millions. The total amount is 10 million. And we need number of notes in the form of 1000 denomination. I don't want any other note. 100, 50, I don't want. 500 even I don't want. I want 1000 notes. So how many notes will be there? So for this, we have one formula, that number of notes equal to total amount divided by amount of each currency note. Each currency note. Now so simple. Now it becomes very easy. Total amount how much? 10 million. First of all, let us write 10 million number correctly. Million means 6 zeros and 10 means first you write 10 and then put 6 zeros. So this becomes 10 million. Okay, and after that amount of each currency is 1000. Just cancel the zeros, you will get the answer. So how many notes are there? Total 10,000. So the answer is 10,000. Again, the answer is B. So this is the answer. One more question we will discuss and then we will switch over to next part. Similar type, but slightly different. Look here, how many bundles of rupees 500 denomination? I will do the correction over here. This is rupees 500. Now each note is of 500. 500 denomination, make the amount 1 billion. Now it is 1 billion. If each bundle has 100 notes, now we have to count bundles, not separate notes. We have to make a bundles of 100, 100, 100, 100 notes. So how many bundles? So again, here there is one formula, number of bundles equal to, again, total amount divided by. Now here we have to divide amount of each currency note as well as number of notes in one bundle. Okay, so amount of each currency into number of notes in each bundle. Number of notes in each bundle. And hence we get total amount. Now this time the total amount is 1 billion. 1 billion means 3 groups of 3 zeros, that is 10 digits. 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, and 0, 0, 0. This is the amount 1 billion divided by amount of each currency note is of 500. So it is 500, and in each bundle there are 100 notes. So 100. Now let us cancel all the zeros first. 4 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then divide this number by 5. 5 ones are 5. 5, 2, 0, 0, 0, 0. And then there are 20,000 bundles. Okay, so here the answer is A, 20,000 bundles. So this is all regarding our first topic.